May the new year be a door for infinite blessings of real happiness, new hopes with more enthusiasm, fair efforts for heights of glories, new achievements of eternal satisfaction. May this year and upcoming life be filled with true and sacred love, turning home into a sanctuary, removing all depressions, enriching with thoughts of wisdom. May this year leads into life of health and wealth, gifted with everything best in a transparent world, no dramas being played around, an environment of care washing away all tears. May in the next years we face truth not deprived of exposure, honesty succeeding with no fears, pride on positive actions does not make life a burden, smiles spread on every face, ruining cruelty, justice for the suppressed, downfalling brutality. May in the upcoming years purity stays triumphant, dignified be the deserving, generosity eliminates sufferings of all in need. Allah's mercies surround us, protecting from all evils. May haram be replaced by halal for success here and hereafter.